The AIM Mobility Clipboard app has two distinct purposes. The first is entering operator and work center efficiencies, including downtime and scrap. The second is editing production efficiency data from either MES transactions or from an Excel spreadsheet upload. Production data can be freely entered into the Clipboard app. It's like the production post and entry, but from a tablet. The mobile function of the tablet means a supervisor can enter these efficiencies during a shift rather than a manager entering it from tally sheets at the end of a shift. You are given defaults or favorites to assist with getting the information into the clipboard. Each production record is called a work center activity. The supervisor can begin tracking activity by selecting the Add Work Center Activity button. As work center activities are added to the clipboard, they will appear in this box on the left. A work center activity includes the production date, shift, item number, step, meter readings or count quantities, work center hours, and project number. In addition, associated to each work center activity is the related employee activity, downtime, and disposition information. Employees' time spent at the work cell can be entered at absolute time or as a percentage of the time. Downtime can be selected from available non-productive reason codes. Disposition material can be reported against an available disposition code. You can then enter the disposition quantity and identify a tag number. The Notes tab includes 4 note fields. The first is a read-only note coming from the part routing. The remaining 3 can be entered via the clipboard and are used to help inform operators and supervisors about conditions related to the work center activity, or part and step. The work center notes will appear whenever the work center is assigned to the work center activity. Work center activity notes are specific to the selected work center activity. Part and step notes will appear whenever an activity is selected for the specified item number and step. If you are utilizing the Mobility MES app, these notes will be displayed when operators log into the work center, and the operator cannot proceed until they acknowledge they have read these notes. Instead of manually keying items into the clipboard, work center activities can be imported in one of 2 different ways. First, data gathered from MES or Mobility MES can be pushed into the clipboard for editing. If there are any errors in data entered via MES or Mobility MES, the clipboard can be used to edit that information before pushing it into the AIM system. An Excel spreadsheet import is the second way to upload data to the AIM Mobility Clipboard. If you are already consolidating your work cell information into an Excel report, this report can be uploaded into the clipboard so your production information can get into AIM. You can view a summary of all the information before you update. Regardless of how you get the data into the clipboard, the production data has to be updated. Not all records have to be updated at once. You can pick which records to update by selecting this box before selecting the Update button. The Clipboard app is very flexible, as clipboards can be set up to represent departments, shifts, zones, or responsibilities. For more information about the AIM Mobility Clipboard app, contact sales@aimcom.com or call 586-439-0300.